Lesson number 5. Substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First, characteristics properties of a substance depends on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. Second, solid state has a definite shape of its own. Third, nowadays digital thermometers are frequently used. Fourth, water is continuously evaporating. Fifth, solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Sixth, ability to return to its original shape is called elasticity. Seventh, metals like gold can be drawn into wires due to its property of ductility. Question number 2. One word in the following statements is wrong. Correct it and rewrite the statements. First, boiling of water means sublimation. Second, each substance has a specific condensation point which is the same as its melting point. Third, sand is melted to make wax. Fourth, to check whether the white powder is a salt or chalk powder, we use the property of hardness as a confirmatory test. Fifth, upon hitting the crystals of iodine convert into liquid. Sixth, liquids float downwards from the slope. This property is called transparency. First, boiling of water means ebullition. Second, each substance has a specific condensation point which is the same as its boiling point. Third, sand is melted to make glass. Fourth, to check whether the white powder is salt or chalk, we use the property of brittleness as a test. Fifth, upon heating the crystals of iodine convert into gases. Sixth, liquid flows downwards from slope. This is fluidity. Question number 3. In a paragraph below, write solid, liquid or gas in each of the brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. On a bright sunny day, Ria and Gargi are playing with a ball, solid, in the park. Gargi feels thirsty, so Ria brings tender coconut, that is liquid, for her. At the same time, a strong breeze, that is gas, starts blowing and it also begins to rain, that is liquid. They run back into the houses, that is solid, changes their clothes, that is solid, and then their mother gives them a cup, solid, of a hot milk, that is liquid, to drink. Question number 4. Who am I? First, I am found in a thermometer. I measure temperature. Answer is mercury. Second, I make things hold or cold. That is heat. Third, I have no shape whatsoever. Answer is liquid, gas. Fourth, I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer is salt. Question number 5. Write the properties of these substances. First, water. Fluidity, density, solubility, transparency, thermal conductivity. Second, glass. Brittleness, density, hardness, transparency. Third, chalk. Brittleness, density. Fourth, iron ball. Hardness, density, malleability, ductility, electrical ductility, conductivity, luster, thermal conductivity, sonority. Fifth, sugar. Brittleness, density, solubility. Sixth, salt. Brittleness, density, solubility. Seventh, flour. Density, solubility. 8, coal. Brittleness, density, thermal conductivity. Question number 6. What is it made from? Why? First, is sickle to cut sugarcane. A sickle is made up of iron. An iron sickle is hard and malleable. When sharpened, it will be able to cut the hard sugarcane. Second, the sheets used for roofing. The sheets used for roofing are made up of plastic, aluminum. Plastic is hard and transparent. Aluminum is hard, durable, lightweight. Third, a screwdriver. A screwdriver is made up of iron, steel, aluminum. A screwdriver possesses property of hardness, hence it is easily pierces a screw in the piece of a wood, wall, metal, etc. Fourth, a pair of tongs. A pair of tongs are made up of iron, steel, aluminum, etc. Tongs are used to lift hot, boiling utensils or vessels. Tongs are hard, ductile and malleable. Fifth, electric cables. Electric cables are metal wires wound in plastic. Metal wires possesses the property of hardness, ductility, electrical conductivity. Plastic possesses the property of hardness, elasticity. Sixth, ornaments. They are made up of metals like gold and silver. They possesses the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, luster. 7. Pots and pans. They are used to cook food. Hence, metals like aluminum, steel are used. They possesses the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity. Question number 7. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what did scientist J. Willard Gibbs show? Answer. J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristics property of a substance depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles. Second, which unit is used to measure the body temperature? Answer. Degree Celsius is the unit to measure body temperature. Third, what is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. Answer. The change of a solid substance directly into a gas or a vapor without first changing into liquid is called sublimation. Substances that sublimate: camphor, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride, iodine. Fourth, how are metals obtained? Answer. Substances like copper, gold, iron, aluminum are metals. Metals are found in the form of minerals deep inside the earth. Minerals from earth are processed to obtain metal. Fifth, use your brain power. On opening a box of a camphor, its smells spread all around. Why does it happen? Answer. Camphor is a sublimate substance. It changes from solid to directly into vapor stage. Camphor particles in gaseous state start spreading all around. Question number 8. Why does this happen, or give reasons? First, coconut oil thickens in winter. Answer. In winter, the surrounding temperature starts decreasing. Coconut oil starts cooling or losing heat. It changes to solid. Hence, coconut oil thickens in winter. Second, kerosene left in an open dish disappears. Answer. When kerosene is left open in a dish, it is exposed to surrounding temperature. As the temperature is more, kerosene starts continuously evaporating and disappears. Third, the fragrance of an incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spreads to the other corner. Answer. The fragrance of incense sticks is given out in the form of scented vapors. As vapors are in gaseous state, the gas molecules spread out in room. Fourth, what do you see in the picture? Answer. A plastic balloon floats on a surface of the water, whereas an apple sinks to bottom. This is because of a difference in their densities. Question number 9. Write short notes on. First, uses of a changes in physical state. First, paraffin wax is melted and the candles are made from the molten wax. Second, dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide, is used in ice cream preparation and to keep it in a frozen state. Third, glass is made from molten silica. Fourth, ornaments are made by melting gold and silver. Fifth, tools are made from molten iron. Second, characteristics of substances. First, brittleness, the property of breaking into small particles. Second, hardness, the property of resisting other substances. Third, fluidity, the property of flowing from the slope. Fourth, elasticity, returning back to the original shape and size upon withdrawal of force or pressure. Third, characteristics of metals. First, malleability, the property of metals to be converted into sheets. Second, ductility, the property of metals by which they can be stretched and drawn into wires. Third, electrical conductivity, the property to carry electricity is called electrical conductivity. Fourth, sonority, the ability to produce ringing sound. Fifth, thermal conductivity, the property to carry heat is called thermal conductivity. Open-ended questions. Question number 1. What will happen if and why? First, nails are made of plastic. Answer. If nails are made of plastic, they will not be able to pierce through other substances on being pushed or forced by a hammer. Plastic lacks the property of hardness. Second, a bell is made of wood. Second, if a bell is made of wood, it will never make a ringing sound. A wooden bell does not have the property of being sonorous. Third, rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongs. Answer. If rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongs, we will not be able to lift hot objects with it, as it is a bad conductor of heat. Fourth, a knife is made of wood. Answer. Wood does not have a property of malleability. Therefore, the edge of a wooden knife will be blunt. Hence, it will not be able to cut anything. Fifth, an axe is made of rubber. Answer. If an axe is made of rubber, it will not use to cut wood or tree. Rubber does not have the property of hardness that is required to push through to cut it. Question number 2. Why are the electric boards fitted on the wall made of plastic or wood? Answer. Plastic or wood are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Electric boards are made up of plastic or wood, so that while touching we will not get electric shock. Question number 3. The handle of a pressure cooker is made of plastic. Why? Answer. Cooker is made of a metal. When food is cooked in it, it gets heated and the whole body becomes hot. Hence, handle is made up of plastic as it is a bad conductor of heat.